do some VX. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I can't stand motherfucking boy bands. I hate you motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? And then I gotta be real with you. Like, how faggot is it for be three niggas on the stage together dancing together? You know what I'm saying? Really? That shit just ain't super cool. You know what I'm saying? I know this one group, Houston H-Town, got VX. And like, what the fuck is VX? That shit sound like a new sexual disease or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is that shit? Like, what does that mean? What does that mean, fellas? You know what I'm saying? You got like this one bright motherfucker in that group. You got this other little stocky little bastard. You know what I'm saying? And then you got one nigga that wear tight pants all the time. Take off the tight ass pants, bro. You know what I'm saying? Tight ass pants. Don't nobody want to see your print, my nigga. Don't nobody want to see your print in your tight ass pants. You know what I'm saying? That's real tough. And the niggas ain't that good. They think that they good, but they ain't that good. You know what I'm saying? They alright. Little harmonies. Whoo, they alright. Don't nobody really like y'all motherfuckers though. You know what I'm saying? That night at the club, when my gal left, she was drunk.